From torrential downpours to gale-force winds, despite the torrid weather, the project remains on track. This is week 5 at Fratton Park. We kick things off on Tuesday. Dropping in low, you can see the heavy machinery pushing steadily along the temporary haul road they carved out last week. Their mission is critical, spreading the heavy sub-base across the pitch to bury and protect that intricate first layer of drainage. It is a methodical, unstoppable march against the clock. And then came Thursday, full of downpours, and while I waited for it to stop, I visited this Pompey Pals mural, dedicated to those who went to war from the city. However, the skies started to brighten, meaning I could take the drone up to check progress. This was short-lived as the heavens opened once again. Fast forward to Friday, and the contrast is night and day. Sun, blue skies, and the wind has finally dropped. Down on the surface, the sub-base has completely swallowed the first layer of drainage. With the hard work and sheer determination of a crew refusing to be beaten by the schedule, the machinery has finally come to a well-earned stop. It's actually believed the crew may have been working deep into the night to claw back the time lost to the rain, all with one unwavering hope: getting this pitch perfectly primed for Pompey's 2026-27 championship campaign. Will this pitch enhance Pompey's performances next season? Let me know in the comments below.